we'll guide you through how to use Asana boards effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Asana website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your project list on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on the project where you want to use the board view. When your project opens, look along the top by the project name and you'll see different view options. Click on Board to switch your project to the board format. This view will display your tasks as cards and columns, which is great for visualizing progress. If you want to add a new task, simply click on the plus icon or Add Task button in the column where you'd like it to be. You can then name your task, assign it to someone, set a due date, and even add subtasks if needed. To create a new column, which is called a section in Asana, go to the right end of your board and click on Add Section. Name your section to reflect the stage or category it represents. You can easily drag and drop tasks between columns to update their status. This flexibility makes it easy to adapt to changes in your workflow. To filter tasks, use the Filter button at the top right corner of your board to view tasks by assignee, due date, or any custom field you've set up. And if you need to search for a specific task, use the search bar at the top right of the Asana interface. Boards are great for agile teams or anyone who manages work in stages. They provide a clear visual representation of progress and make collaboration straightforward. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.